In this video, I'll be using StatCrunch to do a problem where we're going to find a random sample, um, which is basically a simple random sample. So it talks about Future Government Club wanting to come up with a panel for an upcoming election. Club wants 4 of its members to lead the panel discussion, obtain a simple random sample of size 4 from the accompanying table. Write a short description of the process you use to generate your sample. Basically, you're just going to be filling in these blanks here. Let's go ahead and look at the sample. Notice there's 32 people there. And it says write a short description of the process. Again, that's what we're really doing here. We're just filling it in. But it does say in StatCrunch to use the seed 1,200 or 12,658. So that's a little different than what you may have seen in class. I think we did a dynamic seed, and so this is just a little bit different. Okay, so it says select data. So we hit data, then simulate, and then the next choice is discrete uniform. We discussed that in the notes. Notice we're going to have 10 rows, 1 column, and our minimum will be 1, and since there's 32 people on the list, there's 1 through 32 are the numbers to be selected randomly. We're going to use a fixed seed, not a dynamic seed, and it's 1, 2, 6, 5, 8. Choose names from the resulting sample by matching the first, it'd be the first 4 numbers since we're picking 4 people randomly. They need to be distinct numbers, so ignore repeats with the row numbers of the names. So let's go ahead and check our answer. All right, and then the next step, generate a simple random sample using the process outlined in the last step. Select all of the names included in the sample. So let's go ahead and go to StatCrunch. And it's data, simulate, and discrete uniform. So it was 10 rows, 1 column. We went from 1 to 32. And it says use fixed seed. So it's 1, 2, 6, 5, 8. Now I want to give you a little warning here. I think this is what happened to me. I didn't click out of here and then I clicked compute. I think you need to click out of that box first and then click compute. Okay, and so you can see our numbers are going to be 5, 14, 28, and 8. And so let's get out of StatCrunch. Whoops, let's see if we can get back to where we were here. It's not letting me do that. Let's go out of there. Here we go. All right, so if we go to our list, option number 5, that was Cooper. 14 is Lukens. 28 is Thompson. And 8 is Engler. So let me click out of here and let's go ahead and pick those people. Cooper, Lukens, Thompson, and Engler. There's Thompson and Engler. Let's check our answer, and that's how you do the problem. I hope that helps. Thanks.